This is the installation guide of our Provent Catch Can kit for the 300 series Toyota Landcruiser. With the engine turned off and cool to touch, remove the engine cover and place it aside. Then locate and remove the air intake hose by undoing the hose clamps on both ends. Once loosened, pull the hose towards the airbox and lift and then remove. Now we need to prepare to fit our kit bracket by removing the 3 bolts that hold down the power steering reservoir and the 2 bolts holding down the fuse box. The reason for removing the bolts on the power steering reservoir is just to give us a bit more room to fit our bracket. With all the bolts removed, now you can fit the kit bracket underneath the fuse box. Line it up with the pre-existing holes and then secure it with the bolts. Route the kit drain hose down through the wheel arch. Then cut the drain hose to the desired length. Then add the tap and secure with the hose clamp supplied in the kit. Then use the chassis bolt to mount the drain tap with the supplied P-clamp. Now back up in the engine bay. First apply the drain hose clamp to the drain hose. Then fit the catch can and secure it with the hose clamp. Using the 2 supplied 25mm M8 bolts, fit the ProVent to the bracket and tighten. Make sure the ProVent is in the correct orientation. See instructions for more info. Next, remove the factory hose from the crankcase. Pinch the clamps to remove. We can now fit the one-piece oil resistant hose by sliding it on to the top outlet of the ProVent and secure with the supplied hose clamp. The other end will attach to the crankcase outlet. Push on and secure with the supplied hose clamp. Then fit the remaining one-piece oil-resistant hose. Slide on to the lower outlet of the ProVent and secure with the supplied hose clamp. Using the factory hose you removed earlier, add this to the lower hose connector, then fit and secure to the air inlet. Reinstall the factory air inlet hose back to the airbox and tighten the clamps. Use the supplied cable ties to group the hoses together. Then fit the engine cover and job done. Remember to drain the ProVent every month or every 3,000 Ks. And replace the filter element every 40,000 Ks. Plus right now with our Black Friday sale, you can save 15% on this item. To find out about more great deals for your vehicle, check out westernfilters.com.au.